Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to export active users in Google Workspace using the xFanatical Foresight Automation Tool. Managing user accounts efficiently is a crucial aspect of any organization utilizing Google Workspace. Whether you need to perform audits, analyze user activity, or simply keep track of active users, exporting active user information can be immensely helpful. Although Google Admin does not offer us the option of emailing this list of exported active users to the manager. With Foresight Automation Tool, this process becomes streamlined and hassle-free. How to export active users in Google Workspace using the xFanatical Foresight Automation Tool. Log into your Foresight account with your Google Admin account. Go to the Rules page and click on the New Rule button. Step 1. Select the manual trigger. This trigger starts by manually clicking on the Rules card. Step 2. Select List User Action from all the available actions. Select the user email, first name, and last name columns. Leave the rest of the fields as default. Click Add Next Action. Step 3. Select the Upload Data to drive action. Next, select the user's CSV file download link in the CSV file URL. Now, select the Google Drive folder path for this use case in the Google Drive folder field. Click on Add Next Action. Step 4. Select the email action from the Select an Action screen. In the email action, select the recipient in the To field. Add a subject line in the Subject field. Compose an email message, add variable option, and embed the user CSV download link. Step 5. Click Review. Set a rule name. Click Create. Next, click the play icon to trigger the rule you have created. You will find Status of Successful Rule Execution. Verifying the rule, now open the CSV file from Google Drive. You will find all the active users within that file. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.